Hey lovelies! So earlier today I shared on TikTok here an app on Telegram that pays me while I'm sleeping. Like it's literally pays me while I'm doing nothing. Yeah. All you need to do is to stake a minimum of 1 CU coins and also refer your friends. And the more you refer, the more you earn, and you are also earning on your investments. Simple as that. So I shared that video and I shared a clip of that from my YouTube channel on TikTok this morning, and this afternoon I want to make my second withdrawal. I've made the first withdrawal and I've shared the withdrawal proof on YouTube. You can still go and check that video because that video is very detailed, very detailed. There's some details I left there that I won't be able to say here because of the short time frame. So I'm going to make my withdrawal. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come here that's showing earnings available, right? And I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on withdraw. And then once I click on withdraw, it's going to bring me here. Now you can only withdraw a minimum of 1 CU. Yes, you need to impute a decentralized wallet like CU wallet or Trust wallet address. So I'm going to click get withdraw. But before then, I'm going to go to my favorite cryptocurrency exchange platform, which is Bybit. You can use Gate.io, you can use KuCoin, you can use BitGet, but I love using Bybit. So I'm going to go to Bybit and I'm going to show you how to withdraw this. So yeah, this is how my Bybit looks like, and I have a whole lot of videos on Bybit already on the YouTube channel. So I'm now going to come here and click on deposit. Yes, we want to deposit something into our Bybit. Our Bybit is like your cryptocurrency bank account. Yeah. So now it's asking you, what do you want to deposit, crypto or fiat? I'm depositing crypto, so I'm just going to come here and I'm going to search for CU, or you can also see it here because I've used it recently. Or alternatively, you can use any of this alphabet. Just pick the alphabet S and search for CU. But let me not waste your time. Let me assume that you don't have the CU located in your search history. You just click on CU like this, and you're going to see here, you're going to see CU here, and you're going to pick this first one, this CU. Now this is the deposit address you need. Don't do the mistake of picking another address that is not CU. Right? If you make that mistake, your token is not going to reflect on CU. So this is CU now. Make sure your chain type or network type here is CU. Now this same process literally works for any other exchange of your choice that you're using. So once you see a big pop-up like this, just click on OK. It's not really something to worry about. So this is what you're going to copy. You're going to copy this wallet address. That's all you need. So I'm going to copy that wallet address here, and I'm going to go back to my Telegram. I'm back on Telegram. Now the beautiful thing about this is, before you can use this particular app, you must use a referral link. If you don't have a referral link, you're not going to have a wallet where you can deposit your own CU in the app. Right? Not be able to have a wallet on CU Bison app that you can make a deposit. So you can leave me a message on my YouTube channel, and you will see the link of my referral that you can use. I'm going to now come back here and I'm going to click on withdraw. I'll click on withdraw right here, and once I click on withdraw, to bring me back here, and I'll just click on this withdraw. Now I have 19.855 CU to withdraw, but they're not going to give me this 19.855 CU. Why? Because this investment runs for a time frame of 100 days, but you can withdraw some percentage out of your investments or out of your earnings before the end of the 100 days. Just make sure that you have a minimum of 1 CU. So at the end of the 100 days, you can now totally empty your accounts, both the complete earning and your stake CU. If this does not make sense to you, just go to my YouTube channel. I shared a very detailed video about this. It's asked me to impute my wallet as CU wallet. That's wallet address that I copied from Bybit, right? So I'm going to come here and I'm going to impute that wallet address here. Then once you've pasted your link that you copied from your Bybit, your deposit link address that I copied from Bybit, just like this, you will now click on the withdraw. Now you just wait for it. You see it do a countdown, and then you see withdrawal successful. You just need to stay on the page and you see already withdrawal successful. So you're going to get your your notification from your exchange platform like Bybit or Gates.io and the like. So if you come in now, you see my earnings available is showing 0. Now you see that they added some percentage of my deposits, of my withdrawal rather, to my stake. I already get a notification from Bybit. So I'm going to go to Bybit and I'm going to confirm. I had 2.4 SU before. They added extra 4 SU for me. So now my net ROI is going to be reading on 6.434. So I'm going to be having interest on this new stake here, which is 6.434. So let's go to Bybit and confirm. Now I am already on my Bybit, right? If I swipe down here, you're going to see a notification from Bybit. It's a deposit of, they gave me 11.982740642. So I have, they added about 4 SU to my initial SU coin, my initial SU stake. Then also, you can see it here to my Bybit. If I click on the assets here, if you click on assets here and I click on funding, you see that this 51.9 USD is actually SU. So from here, you cannot click on this SU and can convert it to USDT. So I'm just going to click here and I'm going to click on convert. You can only convert a minimum of 2.7 SU to USDT. That is, if your SU on Bybit is less than 2.7, you'll not be able to convert. But from 2.7 upward, you can convert. So I'm going to click on max here and I'm going to click on quote. So this is how to convert your SU from SU coin to USDT, and I'll click on confirm. Then from here, I can do P2P trading to have this transaction in my own local currency, or I can just leave it at USDT. So bye for now.